637.
He give you the key or no?
Yeah, I think so. We have keys.
Look, he give you the key or no? No, no.
Number
Okay.
437.
This is the third one.
Ah, where we get the keys? Oh, we give it.
I'll
to us.
give you the key.
Thank you.
Mm.
This is your key.
Is it two? Oh yeah, one more.
Just one because no, leave it here just for the light.
And where we can get another one on the reception?
No, just
No,
one.
just one.
Because our encoder it's not working. The machine for do the key just
Okay.
give you
Yes,
just
okay.
one. This is a condition.
Oh, we need double bed. Oh, so it's family.
We can push together.
We can.
Can
There's
we?
no double. Is it no double bed?
I think now you can call zero.
Yeah.
Yes, just call the reception from zero.
See what's happened. Okay.
Okay.
If you want missing, reception number zero.
Zero. Okay.
Have a nice day.
Thank
you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Just would like to check. Do you have a room with just double bed? Because we have two single beds here. Or we can just keep them together.
Let's shower.
So we just need to join them. Alright.
Toilet. Everything nice and tidy, clean, hygiene. Toilet paper, telephone, everything here present. Body lotion, hair condition, shower gel, shampoo. Everything what you need. Also, as a benefit, you have a lovely mirror. Of course, it's dirty, but at least you have it. I think it must work. Check it later. Here we have tea, coffee, kettle, sugar of course, fridge, some water. So you can use safe. Also, I can see shoes and huge wardrobe. Room is so huge, enough of space. Alright, today we went to seaside. When we come back, everything is so tidy, all nice and tidy. So cleaning service is very good here. A lot of shampoo, body lotion, everything is here. Towel was changed. Everything is clean. We got another 2 bottles of water, which is good because we drink a lot now. So it's how our room looks now. They has double bed rooms with double bed, but this room was with 2 single beds and they just joined them together. But now it's big, not big, it's like king size bed with a lot of space. It's why we decided to live like this. Oh, look at this, so cute. Telephone if you need to connect to reception or call to your friends from another room or emergency, everything you have. big mirror. So if somebody asking about charger, it's like this, or not charger, sockets, it's like this. You have to be well prepared because in UK it's different. So another sockets we have here. Most of the room in this hotel has balcony. We have as well. The balcony we have this little dryer, which is so handy. Every day we use it to dry our wet clothes. Also we have little table with 2 chairs. You can sit here in the evening and relax, observe this beautiful view. And look, I just would like to let you know every room which number begins from 400. It means front line. It's nearest to the seaside and to the beach. So